Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator for APQS. I want to show you a fun little design for a border called Dandy Dewdrops. I've got a 2-inch border segmented with a chalk pencil to give me 2-inch chunks of that 2-inch border. I'm going to go into my first line. I'm going to go way up on that first line. I'm going to do a lowercase l with an infinity sign at the base and then head back down. Next one, lowercase l, infinity sign at the base. Next one, lowercase l, infinity sign at the base. Next one, lowercase l. And that line will help keep things kind of straight. All right, and this is another 2-pass. So I'm going to break my threads and I'm going to start back at the beginning. And I've got the beginning of my border marked here, so I'm just going to start about right there. And I'm going to go over the top of my first little flower and just put a little circle drop. Try 2-pass designs on your next quilt. Looks hard? Super easy. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, contact your local APQS dealer, visit your local APQS store, or visit apqs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to see what you're working on.